Hi, I'm Dr. Jannah Thompson with 6 reasons why you might need to see a urogynecologist like me. Pelvic organ prolapse. Pelvic organ prolapse occurs when muscles and tissues in the pelvis that help support become weakened, and therefore the organs don't stay in place. Urinary incontinence. This is characterized by the involuntary leakage or loss of urine, often due to abnormal pelvic floor muscle tone or nerve damage. Fecal incontinence. Fecal incontinence is a condition when a person loses control over their bowel movements, leading to involuntary passage of stool. Overactive bladder. This, also known as OAB, includes symptoms of urinary frequency, urgency, and sometimes the loss of urine on the way to the bathroom. If left untreated, symptoms can worsen. Voiding dysfunction. This occurs when the muscles that control the flow of urine do not relax completely, making it difficult to completely empty the bladder. Postpartum pelvic health concerns. After childbirth, a woman might experience loss of urine or incontinence. If these symptoms persist past the normal postpartum period, consulting a urogynecologist may be beneficial. Start your journey to restore your confidence and comfort by seeking a urogynecologist. Learn more at trinityhealthmichigan.org/urogyne.